So today's video is going to be very simple, very easy to do. I'm going to show you a new method for you to make a lot of money online. This is easy to do. What is great about this is that you can do this on your phone or you can do this on your laptop or computer. You don't need the very expensive phone or expensive computer to do this. Just an average device can work. An Android phone or an Apple phone or any kind of computer that has internet, you can make a lot of money. Now, what I'm about to show you, I need you to watch this video all the way to the end because I'll be explaining what you need to do and how it works for you to get money. This is absolutely great because it's free. You don't have to pay any money to do this. There are no registration fees. You don't have to pay any money for registration, nothing like that. It's absolutely free. And it doesn't really matter where you are coming from. If you're in America, or South America, or Africa, Asia, Europe, Australia, you can get access to this opportunity. So just make sure you watch this all the way to the end. Don't skip the video because you don't want to skip an important step that can make you not actually get the money. So just watch this video. It's not a long video. And before I show you, please just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click subscribe, that red button, subscribe. It's absolutely free to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. It would help me a lot and it's free. So you don't need to pay to subscribe. Just click that red button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. Click that bell, turn on all notifications so that anytime I have a new video for you, you are going to get a notification. So, the website I want to show you today is called Ysense. It's ysense.com. Now, Ysense is actually a website where they give you opportunities to do surveys, offers and tasks and make money online. So there are different things that you can do on this website and they are going to pay you to actually do these things. So it's available for anyone. If you have time, you can just whip out your phone or your computer and you can make money by doing several things. Now let's see over here. It says paid surveys. Earn cash for taking free paid surveys while influencing the next generation of products, services, and much more. Now, this is very easy. What they're going to provide you with is a survey, which is a bunch of questions that they want you to answer. For example, on food, what kind of restaurants do you like to go to? Okay, what kind of food do you like? Or maybe it's not going to be on food, or they want to do something on maybe transport. Which cars are your favorite cars? What do you like about BMW? What don't you like about Mercedes-Benz? What don't you like about Mazda? So there are just different kinds of questions that you can actually answer and they will pay you for this. These questions are so easy. And for example, last time I received something like, why do you think Motorola is not performing the way it should? Or what are your takes on Motorola? Do you like Motorola? Yes or no? Do you prefer iPhone or do you prefer an Android phone? So different kinds of questions, and they actually value your opinion because they take that information and they actually use that information in big markets and they provide that information to different companies so they know that, hey, this person said they don't like this person said that, oh, I don't like that and this. So it actually helps them to know how to change things in the business and it helps them a lot and they are going to pay you for that. Now, for example, as I said, there are three different categories. As you see here, surveys, offers, tasks. So paid surveys I've spoken about. Now, when it comes to cash offers, you see here, get paid for trying new products and services, downloading apps, signing up for websites, watching videos, and more. So from my experience, what I can tell you here is that you can just be watching videos and they will pay you to watch videos. So the videos are really like 3-minute videos, 2-minute videos, 4-minute videos. And every time you watch a video, they pay you. Some offers could be like, hey, go onto this website, sign up onto this website, and they're just going to pay you just for signing up. I don't know why, but you don't even have to be active on the website. The website they'll tell you to sign up for, it's actually free. So they just want you to sign up and they're going to pay you. They don't even want you to actually use the website, go through the website. They just want you to sign up and they're going to pay you for that. So different things like that. And for example, they might ask you, oh, go to the App Store or go to the Play Store and download this specific app. And when you download it, you're just going to provide a screenshot that it's downloaded and they're going to pay you for that. So simple offers like that, very easy things that you can do to actually make money. So if you're somebody like me that likes these easy kinds of tasks, this is going to help you a lot because you can do a lot of tasks every single day and they're so easy to do. What I want to tell you is that you actually need to sign up. Okay, that is the first thing you need to do if you want to get access to this opportunity. So over here, sign up for free and start earning. Just put in your email address and a password and click this box and join now. Now, what I want to show you over here is when you click on affiliates. Affiliates is really awesome because they are actually giving you an opportunity to spread this website to your friends. So whenever your friends actually sign up, you get money. You see, once your referrals earn their first $5, excluding commissions and bonuses, you will also earn an extra $2 bonus. So it's easy money like that. So if you refer friends and the friends come onto this website and they use the website, you get money. So it's actually easy to do because you can just spread your affiliate link which they'll provide to you. You can spread it on Facebook, on Twitter, Instagram, wherever you want to just spread your link so that when people click on your link and they join YSense, you actually make money for everything that they do. So it's basically very easy, very cool, easy money which you can make. You don't really need to do much. It's very, very simple to do. Now, let's click over here on cash out. When we click on cash out, it's going to give you the different kinds of options at which you can receive your prize. For example, if, for example, you want something like, for example, from Amazon, you can actually get your reward for something from Amazon. Instead of having your money directly, you can say, hey, I want to actually get something from Amazon. Or if you don't want anything from Amazon, or you just want your money directly to your PayPal account, you can do that as well. Or directly to your Skrill account, you can do that as well. So, or Payoneer, if you want money via Payoneer, it depends which platform you actually use. PayPal is awesome. Skrill is also a good platform as well, but I would recommend PayPal if you want your money directly, and they pay you instantly. There are no delays with payment. It's really, really awesome. Very awesome to do. So this is the website I want to show you. It's YSense. It's ysense.com. If you have forgotten, it's ysense.com. If you read over here, get paid to take surveys. Getting paid to take surveys online sounds too good to be true. With YSense, it's not. If you're busy and could use a little extra cash fast, YSense might be the perfect solution for you. Earn money from the comfort of your home. Answering surveys for money is simple and free with YSense. And what they're saying is absolutely true. I am telling you, this is really, really easy. You need to understand that now everything's becoming digital. Everything's becoming like everything's now on the internet, and everybody now wants to promote their things on the internet, and everyone wants to find out the opinions of people, what people like, what people don't like, what people would love to see. So people want information from people. So when you give your answers, if you answer surveys, people are going to pay you for that. They want to pay you because they need your feedback. They need to know what you're thinking concerning maybe electronics, technology, transport, cars, food, fashion, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Nike, Adidas. They want to know all those things. How you think about certain brands, how you think about certain phones. They want to know. They actually want to know how you are thinking, so that they can say that, hey, so that we can make you a customer, let's actually change our products so that they suit you, so that we can tell you that, hey, based on what you told us, we've actually made changes to our business, and now maybe you'll be interested to make a purchase, because now we're providing you with what you actually want, so that businesses will stop investing in things that people are not interested in. So your information is very, very important. So this is easy money that you can make, absolutely cool and free. And I encourage you to join right now and share your link to as many people as possible so that you can make more money. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it helps you. Like this video if you haven't already. Comment your questions down below in the comment section. Subscribe to the AD Money channel right now if you haven't already. Turn on all post notifications so that you will receive a notification anytime I have a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the support. Cheers.